Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my subscribers, viewers, and channel members. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan dyan kung saan mang parte ng mundo nandoon kayo. Okay, today we'll make this fresh egg roll from Thailand, Vietnamese pala, Vietnamese. So with the influence of the Vietnamese people, worldwide kilalang kilala na tong fresh egg roll nila, very healthy. So ngayon meron tayong mga ingredients here na available naman lahat yan eh. At saka we must put our creativity here and resourcefulness, So ito yung mga ingredients ko. Ito yung cucumber, ham again, and celery, green onions, carrots, salami, and chicken. So and this one, the most famous wrapper, na ididip pa natin yan within 2 minutes sa warm water. And ito niluto ko na, binoil na ito within 5 minutes to 10 minutes, ito yan ang ginagamit, rice stick noodles. And ito yung hoisin sauce na dipping, and this is the peanut butter. Okay, so ito yung mga ingredients. Yan. Okay, so we'll go to the next step. Guys, eto na I soak the wrapper for 10 seconds, soak yan sa warm water for 10 seconds. And then ilatag natin dito. Maliit lang kasi itong wrapper na to eh. Hindi ito yung malaki. Kaya dapat maingat. Pasensya na, hindi ako masyadong sanay sa ganito, no? First time ko to, oh. We hope you will like it, ano? Okay naman, no? Look. Diba? Nice. Diba, oh? Yan, nakadalawa na tayo. Oh, I did 2 already. So, try pa natin yung isa. I'm using a small wrapper. Medium. O medium ba to o small? So, you can be creative kung ano yung nasa healthy vegetable sa loob ng refrigerator, ano. Yung instead na cilantro wala ako eh. Kaya yung celery na lang ginamit ko. Pasensya na guys, I'm not so good with this. Try and try lang until you make it perfect. Pwede rin gamitin ng shrimp dito eh. Tsaka yung mga cut tofu, oh. Hindi ba? Okay na ba, guys? Oh, yan, no? Oh, nakagawa na ako ng 3. Oh. Okay, hope you like watching what I did, ano? So, napakasimple lang nito, no? Ito yung fresh egg roll ng Vietnamese culture. Yan. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, ano? Sana na nag-enjoy kayo watching doing it. Sorry, hindi ako masyadong mahusay gawa ng ganito, no? I'm only prone to arts, ano? Pero, lahat ng bagay napapag-aralan, ano? So guys, thank you very much for watching. Okay. So ang ano niyan, ang